This is the best lens ever, and let me tell you why, because you could blur everything to infinity and clients love that look. Right now I'm shooting at f9 and you can see the background, how blurry it is. Another benefit to this lens is you could be far away from your subject, you know what I'm saying? And the compression, oh my God. I'm not even gonna try to be like scientific and tell you what it is, I'm just gonna show you. So this is Carmen. If you shoot Carmen at different focal lengths, I'm gonna try 24, 35, 50, 85, 100, 135, and 200. So I'm keeping all the settings the same. The only thing that I'm changing is the distance that I am from Carmen. A wide angle lens stretches or distorts the image. And a telephoto lens like the 200mm compresses the image and brings everything, kind of squeezes everything to the middle. You're gonna see what happens to the background and you're gonna see what happens to her face. Tell me which focal length you like more. They're after me. It's because I don't got a mask. Hopefully you pick one that you like. All right, now that you saw the examples, hopefully you picked the best one. Mine was the 200. That's why I love this lens. So let's just take some shots. Let's have fun with it. Yeah, blur.